In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in the NVIDIA Control Panel. So what you need to do is just close out of the Control Panel like so, and then come over to your Start menu and search for Registry Editor, and then click on the Registry Editor window. Now from here, you need to expand the folder HKey Current User, and then expand the Software folder. Scroll all the way down until you see NVIDIA Corporation and expand this, and then you'll see NV Control Panel 2, expand this, and then select Client. So once you're inside of the Client folder, you need to right-click somewhere in this white space, come over to New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value, and you need to give this the name User with a capital U, Defined with a capital D, and Local with a capital L, and then also an E at the end of this, and hit Enter. So once you've created this file, you then need to head over to the Microsoft website, and I'll leave a link to this in the video description. And what you want to do is just scroll all the way down to the different languages here, and what you need to do is select the language that you want to change the NVIDIA Control Panel to. So let's say, for example, we wanted to change it to Chinese. Now in this third column, you'll see a bunch of numbers that go all the way down this page. Now the only numbers that we actually care about is the last 3 digits. So for example, if you wanted to change your language to Chinese, the only numbers we care about are these end ones here. So I'm just going to select these 3, right click and select copy. And then if you head back over to the registry editor, double click on the file that we just created, this user defined file, and you need to paste the value data inside of here and select OK. So now if I launch up my NVIDIA Control Panel on my computer, you can see that we've changed the entire language to Chinese, and you can basically change this to any language you want just by selecting it from this list here. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.